Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Redmi Note 12 Pro. So to do this operation, you have to charge your battery, and it's helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we have to turn off our phone like this, and after that you have to press and hold volume up and power button together. Pressing both key and keep holding. Then release power button, still holding volume up. That's it. Release all the button, and now we're gonna choose by volume down to wipe data. Accept by power, go down, wipe all data, go down, confirm, and that's it. Now the phone is gonna be resetting and delete all the data and your file from the phone forever. Back to main menu. Now reboot to system, and phone gonna be start with a brand new firmware without any password and passcode on the phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.